and welcome to Get Planting. Now today I'm going to show you how to take cuttings of rosemary. This is a very popular herb that is medicinal, Mediterranean, it's very aromatic, it's great in gin or maybe your roast potatoes in cooking, and it's a very versatile herb to grow in your own garden, and it's super easy to propagate. So today I'm going to show you how to take cuttings. So what you'll need is some snips and maybe a dibber as well, and then a pot for it to go into. Now cuttings always root better in a square pot when they're positioned next to the edge. So what we need to take off is from the propagating plant is to cut just below a node. So that's the growing point, the little nodgy bit where the leaves come out, and then strip the lower leaves. So you want to reduce the leaves so that reduces transpiration and the cutting drying out. Then use your dibber and insert it into the side of the pot, and then just gently push your cutting down into it. Now this growing medium is very sandy, gritty, free draining, and you want to keep it nice and moist until these cuttings establish and put out new roots. So that is showing you that you can make 4 new rosemary cuttings, probably from in this pot, that you can then grow on to have in your garden. Now if you've really enjoyed this garden content, then please subscribe and watch more to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.